Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing extremely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching the Tech Stream. So finally, after a month of waiting, I've received the Nothing Phone 1 in my hands, and in this video I'm going to present you with my initial thoughts of this phone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Nothing Phone 1 is definitely the most hyped phone of 2022, no denying about that. Is it actually worth spending your rupees 35,000 on? So I've been using this phone from last 1 week and I'm going to share my experience with you guys. Let's start with the design. The phone comes with a boxier design and I must say it feels very premium. I mean, the metal rails and the sharp design makes it so much good in the hands. I just love the way it looks and feels. And let's not forget about the transparent back, which again makes the device stand apart. In simple words, the device is just gorgeous. I mean, if you have this phone with you, people are just going to notice it. The build quality is also very solid and sturdy, and you also get these fancy LED lights on the back. So let's talk about them for a bit. Glyph lights is the most hype feature of this phone, right? And it does look amazing for a few days, but after that it will start getting distracting. At least that's what happened to me. I usually keep my phone face down and use DND to avoid distraction, but with these glyph lights, notification comes screaming in your face. It can be useful for some people, but not for me at least. Apart from the coolness, these lights have very less functionality. For now, the charging meter and the video record LED light are the two things that are actually useful. It would be great if you could customize the apps or the color of the LED lights. Also, these LED lights don't take up a lot of a battery and are very efficient, so that's a plus there. Moving on, let's talk about the display. The display of Nothing Phone 1 is pretty good. The even bezels on all sides gives the device an outstanding look. But the one thing I noticed is that the display was on the warmer side. After looking for a bit, I found out that in display settings you can change the color temperature, and changing the color preset to Alive makes the display even better. I mean, it is not the best looking display in the world, but it is very good considering the price range. One small problem is that the display has maximum peak brightness of 500 nits, which can be a little problematic in the extreme outdoor conditions, though I have not faced the problem till now. Now let's talk about the battery life. Battery life has been just amazing for me. On average, without gaming, I am getting almost 7 hours of screen on time. Even on the latest update, I am getting the same screen on time. The battery life honestly is just great, and even the LEDs don't hog up a lot of battery, so that is good. One little bummer is that you only get 33 watt fast charging in this one. So the phone takes about 70 minutes to full charge and 30 minutes to go to 50%. Apart from that, I am fully satisfied with the battery. Coming on to the camera, Nothing Phone 1 comes with 50 megapixel plus 50 megapixel setup for both main and ultra wide lens, which I think is commendable because usually other phones add 2 megapixel macro or 8 megapixel telephoto lens type shit. Instead, Nothing Phone 1 has chosen two great set of cameras. Talking about the camera quality, it is good. Not the best honestly, but will do for the general audience. The photos are sharp and have a contrasty look to them. The pictures feel more natural. I have also installed a Gcam on this one, and Gcam takes the picture quality to another level. Comment down if you want a full camera review with Gcam. Talking about the performance, the phone comes with 778G plus chipset, which is not a flagship level chipset but still provides you with great performance. I was using OnePlus 9 Pro before this one, which has Snapdragon 888 as a chipset, and I honestly don't feel a difference in day-to-day tasks. In gaming, you feel a little different, but not in everyday tasks. Another great thing about this device is it comes with Nothing OS, which is almost close to stock Android, and there is zero bloatware. So again, that adds up to the performance of the device. In day-to-day usage, the device feels really snappy and responsive, and I'm really satisfied with the performance and the software aspect of this device. The fingerprint and face unlock are also very fast and accurate. Now let's move on to the gaming aspect of this phone. The device doesn't come with flagship chipset, so don't expect a flagship gaming performance. And in BGMI you can't play 90 FPS. Though the smooth and extreme graphics work very well, but still you don't get the 90 FPS support. But in all the other apps you get the full 120Hz support. The phone is good for casual gaming, but if you are a heavy gamer, it might not perform up to your expectations and you might face lags and frame drop. So should you buy this phone? Well, yes, I am extremely happy with the product, and I am happy that there is a new company in the mid-range given that what is happening with OnePlus. Nothing Phone 1 is a great phone and it has already received 3-4 updates within a month, so I have really high hopes for this one. Comment down if you would like to see a camera review on this. Thank you for watching.